Hello, my name is Abby King. I'm a professor of epidemiology and population health and of medicine at Stanford University School of Medicine. And I recently published an article in JMIR Public Health and Surveillance titled "The Promise and Perils of Artificial Intelligence in Advancing Participatory Science and Health Equity in Public Health." We wrote this paper because we are concerned about some of the growing trends here in the US as well as elsewhere that have to do with mistrust in science and more general civic disengagement. And these kinds of things can really threaten the foundation of public health and allow us to really ensure the public's health. One potential antidote to this is increased public participation in scientific research, in addition to exploring how tools such as artificial intelligence or AI can help to expand the public's knowledge and their use of science. In particular, we do a form of community engaged citizen science called Our Voice, which is one way of involving community members across very different kinds of communities in science. We chose to submit our research to JMIR Public Health and Surveillance because this journal is dedicated to advancing areas related to technology, including things like AI and how that really affects people's health and their well-being across the life course. These are things that are becoming so important to all of us, and we need to really better understand both the promise and the perils and dangers of using generative AI and similar kinds of tools in our everyday lives as well as in our research to make sure that the public receives all of the benefits of these kinds of innovative tools and that we really mitigate some of the negatives and the challenges of these tools.